Before we dive in, make sure to check out NordVPN. Link in the description below to stay safe online. AutoDS and CJ Dropshipping are two popular tools for dropshippers, but they serve different needs. Here's a quick breakdown of how they compare in features, pricing, and ideal use cases. AutoDS is primarily an automation tool. It connects with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and eBay, helping sellers automate product importing, price monitoring, order fulfillment, and even customer messaging. CJ Dropshipping, on the other hand, is more of a supplier and fulfillment platform. It provides access to a wide product catalog, sourcing services, global warehouses, making it more of a one-stop shop for logistics. AutoDS pulls products from third-party suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, and Walmart. Users can automate product uploads, manage inventory from various sources. CJ, however, sources its own products directly and offers custom sourcing if a product isn't listed. It allows private labeling and branded packaging, a key advantage for those building long-term brands. Now, CJ handles the entire fulfillment process, from picking and packing to global shipping, with estimated delivery times ranging from 7 to 20 days, depending on the destination. AutoDS acts more like a bridge, passing orders to suppliers. Delivery times vary based on the source, and users have less control over logistics. AutoDS runs on a monthly subscription model, with tiered pricing depending on the number of stores and automated orders. CJ Dropshipping doesn't charge a monthly fee, but does product prices include fulfillment and shipping, and there are optional service fees for extra features. I'd say AutoDS is better suited for experienced dropshippers looking to scale through automation, and CJ is ideal for sellers who want product sourcing, branding, fulfillment handled all under one roof, especially if they're focused on faster shipping and custom packaging. In short, AutoDS offers advanced automation across platforms, while CJ Dropshipping delivers an all-in-one sourcing and fulfillment ecosystem. Choosing the right one depends on whether the priority is automation or hands-on logistics. Thank you so much for watching.